Hi there. Welcome to Small Business Coffee Break, the weekly video series where we take a few minutes to work on your business, not just in it. This week, we ask Oscar Valdes, rockstar real estate agent, what are the benefits of buying that new location we've had our eye on? So grab a cup of coffee and let's get into it. Sell that and get a bigger space. Maybe now I'm looking to invest in a larger space that I can have some tenants or so on and so forth. But I bought that condo real low. Say I bought it 20 years ago, bought it for $250,000, but the real estate market's hot. This condo happens to be on 8th Street now, and everybody wants to be storefront on 8th Street, and it's worth $1 million, and I'm thinking, oh my gosh, I'm gonna get killed on these taxes, right?
Sure.
So, I mean, how much is it going to cost me? How much extra is it going to cost me to buy this other building? But we were talking there, that's not necessarily the case.
It is not. And there's a couple pitfalls there that you have. There's two different places where you're going to get killed.
Okay.
You've been depreciating that building for however many years you've been in there, so you're going to have to recapture that depreciation. In addition to that, on the $750,000 profit, you're going to pay capital gains. Now, this is very common, and the best solution for that is 1031 exchange. So 1031 exchange is section 1031 exchange of the Internal Revenue Code.
Section 1031 of 356,423.
Of 356 million.
Oh, okay.
And growing by the minute as we speak. What they allow you to do is they allow you to reinvest that money into a new property, and you can defer the taxes and the depreciation, the recapture of the depreciation. The beauty of it is you can defer it basically until death. They call it swap till you drop. As long as you keep exchanging and keep reinvesting, you will never have to recapture the depreciation or pay the capital gains taxes.
So basically, I mean, just so I can kind of get a grasp on that, right? So in my situation, I decided I wanted to buy that strip shopping center. I'm going to invest more than what I've got, but I had paid off my little condo and sold it for $1 million. So now I have $1 million cash. I'm thinking, oh my God, they're going to take 40% of this $1 million.
Sure.
And
It'll be less because it's capital gain, but
well, whatever, 25.
Yeah.
I don't know, 25, 40. It all seems bad.
It's $250,000.
Yeah. And but what you're saying is I can then go buy that shopping center. Maybe I want to buy a $2 million shopping center.
Sure.
I'm investing long term, and I can literally take that $1 million, stick it right into that that building, and not have to recapture all of the depreciation. So all of that depreciation I've been deducting and all that extra income I've been keeping because I wasn't paying it to the IRS, I can keep, and I don't have to pay capital gains because I didn't have a capital gain.
Correct.
All I did was swap one investment for another.
Correct. So I'll walk you through the process, and it's worth speaking more about depreciation because it is the hidden gem of real estate investment. A lot of people don't really, appreciate the significance of depreciation. And the example I like to give, because it's a round number, and if you were to buy a property for $3.5 million, the tax basis on that property should be about 80%, which is $2.75 million. The IRS allows you to depreciate a multifamily property. In this case, it will be a multifamily property that we're speaking, just to keep the numbers round. They allow you to depreciate that property over 27 and a half years, which amounts to $100,000 loss that you can write off every single year. Now you can take your tax bracket and apply that to the $100,000, and that is what you are saving in taxes. It's not a real loss, but in the eyes of the IRS, it is. So that is the amount of money that you are saving on your taxes every single year just by owning that property. Okay, so it's not. I'm not only making the investment portion of it. Isn't only the my rent. Because I think about, well, I'm making an investment. I'm going to get X number of dollars at the end of the year. My investment is also tax savings. Sure.
Sure.
It's a big part.
Okay.
It's a big part.
If you want to contact Oscar, I put his contact information in the description. Or if you have any questions that you'd like me to ask a professional, please leave a comment below. Thank you.